Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of English. In this session, we are going to continue with our chapter Jumbled Sentences. This is part 2. In this session, we'll begin our question with the question number 6 because in first session, we have already discussed the concept of jumbled sentences. Also, we started our exercise in which we had done 5 questions. So let's begin the session. So this is question number 6. Now, the first sentence is, this summer was the most. Most is basically either an adjective or an adverb. So after this, we need either a noun or an adjective because this is a modifier. Most to believe, it does not make any sense. And we have, this also does not connect with the sentence. Most is crouching in living memory. So this can come over here. So R can be the first sentence of the sequence. So this summer was the most scorching in living memory. And we have reason to believe that. So we have reason for what? To believe that. So R should be followed with Q and Q should be followed by P. That next year and the year after. So year, next year and year after. Here we are talking about 2 consecutive years. So RQPS will be hotter still. Then we have the first sentence, sixth sentence. So this should be the correct order. Now let us read the paragraph completely. This summer was the most scorching in living memory, and we have reason to believe that the next year and the year after will be hotter still. So the sentence also is going in flow. So let us see the answer. The answer is D, that is RQPS. We hope. We have also made the same sequence. So our answer is absolutely correct. That is RQPS. Now let us move to the next question. Falcons have sharp angular wings. Falcons are birds and we know well that birds fly with the help of their wings. So, falcons have sharp angular wings to dive sharply and allow them to chase their prey. So, with wings, first, that give them speed. Obviously, the wings give them speed. So, falcons have sharp angular wings that give them the speed for what? To chase their prey and allow them to dive sharply to capture their victims. So here the correct sequence will be S, then R, then Q and then P. Now let us see the answer, that is C, that is SRQP. This is what we have already done, SRQP. So our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next paragraph. Here it is written everyone. So everyone is a pronoun and this makes the subject. Everyone the case calmly. It does not make any sense. P sentence does not connect to the first one. Everyone acknowledges. This can go. So everyone acknowledges who knows you when he considers the case calmly. But who knows you? It does not connect anywhere else. So everyone who knows you. So who knows you can begin the sequence. So everyone who knows you acknowledges, that is Q, when he considers the case calmly that you have been wronged. Acknowledges means give approval. And of course, presents the consent. So everyone who knows you acknowledges when he considers the case calmly that you have been wronged. So SQ, it is RQ, then S, then P. This should be the sequence. Let us see the answer. The answer is D, that is RQSP. Now let us see the options that we have made. RQSP. So our answer is absolutely correct. Answer is absolutely correct. That is D. Now let us move to the next question. It is those good works. Now we are talking about some type of good works. which we do with passion. If they are good works, obviously we do them with passion. So the sequence should begin with Q, which we do with passion, that leads to peak performance, our understanding of our purpose, and which come to reflect. So purpose in this life. This makes the sequence, so might be possible R will be the last. So it is those good works which we do with passion and which come to reflect our understanding of our purpose in this life. So P will be left over. It is those good works which we do with passion that lead to peak performance and which come to reflect our understanding. So this will be the sequence. Q, then P, then S, and then R. So this will be the correct sequence. Now let us see the answer. That is B, that is QPSR. Now let us see what we have done. QPSR. It means our answer is absolutely correct. So first try to figure out the sentence yourself and then see the answers. Now let us move to the next question. That is question number 10. Moisturizers for the face. Now here we are talking about moisturizers. So let us see which sentence connect the moisturizers for the face. It means the first sentence. Moisturizers for the face should be chosen carefully. So S can be the first sentence of the sequence. Why? As oily ones may block the oil glands found. What did they block? Or what they block? May block the oily glands found in greater concentration on the face. So S can be followed by P and it will be followed by R, then it will be followed by Q on the face and cause pimple and acne to break out. So after that we'll have the sixth sentence. Now let us see our answer. Our answer is C, that is SPRQ. Now let us see our answer that we have done. That is SPRQ. So we have marked the correct answer. So our answer is absolutely correct. That is SPRQ. Now let us come to the next question, that is 11th. These. Now this word these about the heavenly experiments by the scientist with amazing knowledge will supply us. So these will supply what? These we do not know what we are talking about. So these experiments, these is a demonstrative adjective. It should be followed by a noun, that is experiments. So the first sentence will be Q. These experiments by the scientists will supply us S with amazing knowledge about the heavenly, and we know well that heavenly is followed by the word bodies. So the sixth sentence. So the correct sequence will be QSRP. Now let us see the entire paragraph. These experiments by the scientist will supply us with amazing knowledge about the heavenly bodies. Sentence or the paragraph is also flowing in correct grammatical order. So our answer is C, that is QSRP. So we have made QSRP. So our answer is absolutely correct. Now the 12th sentence or the 12th paragraph. Over 67 years. Now 67 years have passed. Okay. Over 67 years, but the problems have remained. So these two sentences do not make any sense. So R will begin the sequence. Over 67 years have passed, but the problems have remained. Now, whose problems? But the problems of the common man. So R, then P, then S, then Q. As daunting as ever. It means after that we have sixth. Now let us see the answer. That is D, R, P, S, Q, and our sequence is again R, P, S, Q. So our answer is absolutely correct. Our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us try to do the next question, that is beginning with the phrase the president. So the president from Tokyo, where he had been. Now the president came back. So the president is subject. Then we need a verb, that is came back. So First sentence of this sequence will be S. Came back from where? From Tokyo. So P. From Tokyo, where he had been meeting other world leaders. So the correct sequence will be SPQR. It will be SPQR. Now let us see the answer, that is B. That is SPQR. So our answer is absolutely correct again. So this is basic style. Just read the sentence carefully or read the paragraph carefully. You will definitely get the connectors of the sentence. Now we have another question beginning with mens. It means something of men. So mens, it is denoting a possessive case. It means we need a noun over here. Mens, insatiable thirst for knowledge. So this is the correct sentence which is connecting this to this particular word. So Q should begin the sequence. Men's insatiable thirst for knowledge. Insatiable means which cannot be satisfied. So obviously men is greedy of knowledge, or you can say hunger of men has the thirst of knowledge. So insatiable thirst of knowledge is the root of, it means it is the cause of the wonderful achievements of science in modern world. So this makes the sequence. So Q, then it will be followed by S, then R, and then P, and then sixth. So QSRP. Let us see the answer. That is A, that is QSRP. So again, our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next question, that is today. Today, by our hunters, by the hunters. So today by the hunters is not a correct sequence. Today are trapped. No. No one can trap today. So today, millions of wild animals. So the first sentence should be are. Today, millions of wild animals are trapped or killed. So it should be followed by Q. Killed by whom? By hundreds, by the hunters for their skin. But each year will be left over. So today, millions of wild animals are trapped or killed each year by the hunters for their skin. So this will make the sequence. Now let us see the answer. It is B, that is RQSP. Now let us see what we have done. That is RQSP. It means our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next question. They said, now here we have only 3 options. Also, we do not have the last sentence. It means we have only one sentence that has a fixed position. That is, they said. Now we have to shuffle these 3 sentences in such a manner so that this can create a meaningful paragraph. So they said, or a meaningful sentence. They said, in a heavy flat-bottomed boat, each holding a long crooked rod in his hands and eagerly waiting for a bite. So this will be the correct sequence. So R, P, Q. Now let us see the answer. That is B, that is RPQ. It means our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us read the entire sentence. They sat in a heavy flat-bottomed boat, each holding a long crooked rod in his hands and eagerly waiting for a bite. Now let us move to the next question, that is beginning with the boxes. Now the boxes, so carrying, was a lot. If it is written the boxes are plural, was cannot come after it. So the boxes were heavy. So P will begin the sequence. The boxes were heavy. So carrying 2 of them was a lot of weight to handle. So P, Q and R. So this is simple and the sequence is already given in a correct order. So let us see the answer, that is PQR. It means our sentence or our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us see the sentence. The boxes were heavy, so carrying 2 of them was a lot of weight to handle. Now let us see the next question. A long hallway. Now a long hallway leading to 4 bedrooms. The back of the upstairs ran across. If I connect this sentence with P, rest of the 2 sentences will not make any sense. A long hallway ran across the back of the upstairs leading to 4 bedrooms. So this will be the sequence, that is R, then Q, then P. Now let us see the answer, that is B, R, Q, P. So our answer is absolutely correct again. A long hallway across the back of the upstairs leading to 4 bedrooms. It is 4. So leading to 4 bedrooms. Now let us see the next sentence. His father laughed softly, casting his mind back to the days of his youth when he himself had been an eager player of the same game. So this will be the sequence. His father laughed softly for what? Casting his mind back to the days of his youth. It means Q. When he himself had been an eager player. So P and then R. Now let us see the answer, that is D, that is QPR. So let us see again what we have done, that is QPR. It means our answer is absolutely correct again. Now let us see the sentence and read it again. His father laughed softly, casting his mind back to the days of his youth when he himself had been an eager player of the same game. So this will be the correct sequence. Now the 20th question. When they reached the summit, the boys could hear the faint notes of a festival wafted towards them on the soft breeze of the spring night. So let us see which should be the first sentence. When they reached the summit of a festival wafted towards them, or on the soft breeze of the spring night, the boys could hear the faint notes of a festival wafted towards them. So when they reached the summit, R, then P, then Q. Now let us see the answer, that is PQR. When they reached the summit, the boys could hear the faint notes of a festival wafted towards them on the soft breeze of the spring night. So this will be the correct sequence. So here our answer will be A, that is PQR. It means our sequence was not as it should have been. So might be we shuffled a lot many times. So this will make the sense according to the options which are given to us. Now we have 21st question. Given below are 4 jumbled sentences. Out of the given options, pick the one that gives the correct order. Now in these types of sentences, we can see that here we have 4 sentences, but we have not been given the first and the last sentence. It means only that we have are the 4 options that we have to shuffle so that they can create a meaningful paragraph. Now, we must be very careful while choosing the first sentence, because here we do not have to connect the first sentence. In fact, we have to find out the first sentence. So we should keep in mind the basic concepts of grammar. So the A sentence that we have, yes, first get us some fresh juice and some sandwiches. May I take your order? Not now, maybe a little later. Sure, would you like some coffee too? Now let us see what should be the sequence. First of all, may be possible, the sentence will begin with B. May I take your order? So the answer can be yes, first get some fresh juice and some sandwiches. Now, maybe the waiter replies, sure, would you like some coffee too? Not now, maybe a little later. So after that, it is D and then C. So our sequence is BADC. Now let us see the answer, that is C, that is BADC. It means our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next. Again, it is given the first sentence and rest sentences will make the paragraph after shuffling. We are told that it's public distribution system creating a functional sole purpose is. Now its sole purpose is the noble goal of public distribution system creating a functional. Now functional what? So our answer is D, that is RQP, that is sole purpose is the noble goal of creating a functional public distribution system. So P should come at the end of the sentence. So our answer is D, and D is absolutely correct answer. Now let us move to the next question. So increasingly, the poor have been paying to provide revenues for the central government. So our answer is B, that is RPQ. Now let us what we have done. So increasingly, the poor have been paying to provide revenues for the central government. So this is RPQ. So our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next question. That is the 24th. Again, we have been given 4 sentences. The company are often asked for their opinion during the formal or informal interviews. Now, if I make this sequence, it does not make any sense. Now, again, if here the company is the subject, are cannot be the verb. It means this are is used for some other subject. Now let us see the sentence carefully. The company are often asked. So this is not the correct sentence. In fact, this word are is used for some other subject. It means before this we have another sentence. Employees who are leaving the company. This makes the sense. So first sentence will be are, then will be P. Now employees are plural, for which we can use are. Employees who are leaving the company are often asked for their opinion during the formal or informal interviews. So S and this Q. Now this makes the proper sequence. So our answer is A, that is RPSQ. And this we have already done. So our answer is absolutely correct. So this, you can see the grammatical concept here helps a lot while doing a sentence of rearrangement. Now this is the last question that we have in this session. A hailstorm activity in the evenings. There is a possibility of, well, there could be heavy rain towards the weekend. Now, there is a possibility of a hailstorm activity in the evening. Well, there could be heavy rain towards the weekend. So this can make the sequence. Now let us see the answer, that is B, that is QSPR. Now let us see. There is a possibility of a hailstorm, R and S. So the answer is QSPR. Now let us see the sequence. There is a possibility of heavy rain towards the weekend, while there could be a hailstorm activity in the evenings. So this will be the correct sequence. It is RP. So this will be the correct sequence. That is QSRP. So our answer is B, that is absolutely correct. Now these were some sentences. I hope you also have done these sentences carefully and correctly. We'll again do the sentences or same type of questions in the next session as well. Thank you very much.